Welcome back to the shop, guys. Let's get our day started. All right, let's get this. This battery removed on the skid steer. Probably gonna need some vice grips. Look at that. Should get some of those boat biters. But you know what? I'm just gonna unhook it right there. Well, there's still that wire there, so I'm gonna still have to try to unhook it. I doubt this is gonna grip it. Or it'll just fall off because it's loose. Whatever works. So guys, I don't know if I told y'all. Let me see if this camera's on. Alright, this camera's on. So, since I didn't do a live stream yesterday, I'll give you a little bit of update what happened yesterday. It was kind of, well, it seemed like bad weather. It was bad weather from the start, but we canceled our kayaking trip because of it. But I stayed home, and I sold my old John Deere garden tractors. I sold all of them. So that's part money to fix my tractor sitting up there in the corral right there. And that's good. I miss that old tractor. I gotta get this battery charged. This is my buddy skid steer. He's coming to clean up, do some cleanup for me. Take out an old burn pile we had and load it into his dump trailer. Anyway, guys, let's get this battery to the shop. Alright, got the battery on the charger. I'm going to pick up some. So, and before y'all comment, yes, I'm wearing flip-flops in the shop, but it's just because I ain't put my boots on yet. Anyway, guys, let's get started. That's a little better. This is right here is just a disaster zone. Every time I think I get that clean, it's just still a mess. So battery's charging. Got that picked up. I'm waiting on parts. Parts for a little four-wheeler to come in today. I need to get this jacked up and see. He said the wheel bearing, he thinks the wheel bearing's out and it has no rear brakes. It runs great. Gotta get some parts ordered. Gotta get that carb kit still waiting on parts. 2 weeks behind on this Dixon parts for one little part that's missing. That's what's so crazy. I'm gonna be a mad owner, but there's nothing I can do about part companies not having their parts. I've gotta get all these tires moved to the barn. These are good tires. He just didn't like the way they ride, so he had me swap out and put those tires on that one. So he said these ones right here, it was a rough ride. Sometime this week, I got to get more work done on this Argo. I know that guy's been waiting on me to finish up this Argo. It's a lot of work on this Argo. I've been trying to get like the quick paying jobs out because be able to afford to keep going. Ordering parts and probably do a whole series on it. Let me show y'all up here. I'm gonna do a whole video on it from start to flip Hold on, gotta walk a little faster here. This 160 with the bagger. I had to buy tires. I was going to just clean the carburetor, but that carburetor is so bad that I'm just going to order a new one. Buy an El Cheapo one, it should be okay. A battery, that should be it. I'm going to buy a piece of plastic and just glue into here for that. And we'll see how much it flips for after all that's done. These back tires seem pretty decent. They ain't too bad. So yeah, when the battery's charged and Cody's here to start on the moving the trash pile, I will start this vlog back up, because right now there's just not a whole lot going on. So anyway guys, I'll see you then. I got a tool haul from JDTCo. Guys, go check them out there. They just started a YouTube channel, and their channel's actually growing pretty quick. They're great tool dealers. They got really good deals. I'll put their link down below. But check out the set I got. I got the scraper set. It's the gear wrench 4-piece scraper set, part number 84080. And they're actually longer than I thought. The picture kind of made them look shorter, but actually they're longer, which is pretty cool, actually. So I can't wait to get to use these. I got to tear apart Texas Keykeeper's engine, and it's full of RTV, so I'm sure I'll get to use it. And I had a little extra to spend, so I bought this little bitty pocket light. Why not, right? Easy red. But guys, check them out. I'll post their link down below. I'll be buying more stuff from them. Yeah. I just wish they sent stickers. You know, on YouTube we like stickers. So If y'all see this, we like stickers on YouTube. So anyway, guys, I have finished. The day's done. It's nighttime now. I've been out here, I just got home from kayaking and fishing. So pretty much all we did today is clean the corral. I moved some customer stuff around, or not corral. Clean the burn pile out. I moved some customer stuff over here, and I think that's about it. I did fix one customer's mower to come. It was a quick fix. Anyway, guys, we'll be back at it tomorrow. We got 4-wheelers to work on. We got just a little bit of everything. So I will see y'all tomorrow in tomorrow's vlog. Later, guys.